I gotta go.
You need to make sure you're getting in contact with them as quick as you can to make sure that they know that they are under the threat of a tornado. We're talking Plymouth, Cascade. You're all in the path of this. A lot of cheese plants down in Plymouth, thousands of people down in those areas. These are populated areas that are going to be getting hit with the potential for tornadoes. We have confirmed tornadoes on the ground. Let's get to the new tornado warning that was just issued now. This is
Shit.
producing tornadoes located near Chilton. Moving east.
Numerous tornado reports near Chilton. That's 6 miles north of me.
This dangerous storm will be near Chilton in St. Igma around 4:25.
Wind is debris flowing across the road right now, down through the Holstein area. EG calls on it.
10-4, all units prepared a copy of weather warning. Southeastern Calumet County has been issued a tornado warning until 4:45 p.m.
That's me.
Again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Calumet County until 4:45 p.m. Calumet County 911 advising all the units there's a tornado warning for southeastern Calumet County until 4:45 p.m.
I think I'm gonna head to the basement. Okay, that's it for now.